Firefighters killed, over 100 people injured in Pingtung factory fire. The Ministry of Labor, MOL, would open an occupational safety investigation into golf ball manufacturer Launch Technologies Company and its parent company within a week after a fire in its Pingtung County factory on September 22, left at least 6 people dead then. The cause of the fire and subsequent explosions remains under investigation. But the Pingtung Fire Bureau said unexpected explosions occurred right after firefighters attempted to douse the flames with water. It added that the explosions caused a section of the factory building to collapse, trapping several individuals beneath the rubble. The Fire Bureau said that it was not easy for the fire to be completely extinguished as the 20,000 square meter factory was filled with inflammable materials used for golf ball production. In a statement released on September 23, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, said Launch Technologies and its parent company Advanced International Multitech Company would face stiff punishments if they had violated any occupational safety regulations. Because the factory was in an export processing zone supervised by the Ministry of Economic Affairs, MOEA, the MOL had authorized the MOEA to conduct occupational safety and health inspections there starting in 2018. In a hearing held in the Legislative Yuan, opposition Kuomintang, KMT, lawmaker Wang Hongwei said the Launch Technologies plant had been described as a sweatshop with abominable working conditions. Citing court rulings, Wang also accused the company of requiring its workers to work more hours than permitted by law. Labor Minister Xu Ming-chun responded that rescue efforts at the scene were the top priority for the time being but that the MOL and MOEA would coordinate inspections of the company's factories once rescue efforts had concluded. The Pingtung County government said on September 25 that Launch Technologies Company was fined 2.4 million new Taiwan dollars for violations of related statutory regulations, including storing excess flammable materials in the workplace. Launch Technologies Company was later revealed that the facility had stored 3,000 kilograms of the substances, known to be a severe fire and explosion hazard, said Pingtung County Magistrate Cho Chun-mi. This is an apparent breach of regulatory requirements and the local government decided to fine the factory operator 300,000 new Taiwan dollars for this infraction, she said. The local government also meted out an additional fine of 1.5 million new Taiwan dollars to the company for its negligence and the 20-minute delay in reporting the fire to the Fire Bureau. The company will also be held liable for causing danger to the public and negligence resulting in death, Cho said. The Pingtung District Prosecutor's Office has asked the Pingtung branch of the Nonprofit Association for Victims Support to help the families of victims file a request to freeze the company's assets, according to the county government. Occupational safety. Occupational safety.
职业安全
Explosion. Explosion.
爆炸、爆破、情绪突然的发作、数量的激增
collapse, collapse,
名词崩溃、倒塌、企业、组织的失败、昏迷，动词倒塌、崩溃。
rubble, rubble,
建筑物倒塌或毁坏后遗留下的瓦砾堆、破砖烂瓦、碎砖石堆。
extinguish, extinguish,
熄灭、扑灭、火焰或光亮。
inflammable material, inflammable material,
易燃的物质、材料。
violate, violate,
动词违反、违背法律、合约、规定。
violation, violation,
名词违反、违背法律、合约、规定。
supervise, supervise,
监督、管理。
authorize, authorize,
批准、许可、授权、委托。
sweatshop, sweatshop,
低薪资又辛苦劳累的血汗工厂。
abominable, abominable,
条件或情况非常恶劣的、极差的、很糟糕的。
coordinate, coordinate,
协调、相互配合。
statutory, statutory,
法律规定的。
hazard, hazard,
名词危险的事物，动词冒险，使承受危险、危害。
breach, breach,
动词违反、规定、未遵守、责任、合约。名词违反、违反、破坏。
negligence, negligence,
疏忽、疏失、过失。
hold somebody liable for something, hold somebody liable for something,
判定某人须为某事承担责任。
victim, victim,
受害者、罹难者、牺牲者。